Yeah, I'm actually nervous.
So right now, I get ready to go for E&J. Is it? I make sure so I come out back strong in my apology because I done come out strong on the internet with my bag of shenanigans, is what I say. And I learned that apologies mean much when it really come from the heart. So I make sure say she see through my gestures say I'm sorry, babe, I'm sorry, and I just want to make sure things good. Furthermore, I put ring by your finger. We don't want we have no red flag going forward into the marriage. So marriage will come with things like arguments, I'm sure of. I'm not married, but I'm sure of that. So I want to make sure so you know say when that do happen, you now get one stuck up, selfish, self-centered, egotistical or whatever type of man if you apologize. I'll get a good apology. Babe, I'm sorry, I gotta make sure so I get something for you right now to cheer you up properly. So we have some plans and you're gonna see them part of the video when it do post, but your man a come for you. One if them have I'm sorry. You guys have like rose petals that them put there. Good afternoon. You guys have rose petal? What if this enough can do it? Oh, 200 pieces. Alright. Yes, thank you. I need it. Hey, what's up? Hopefully that one I can do the trick, is it? Yeah. So I'm just go home and sort out a few things in place for when E&J reach in, she can see the surprise that I provide. Big up to everybody where really they give me good encouragement, as I say. And somebody did send me a message and say, yo, just do something special for you, bro. It can, help. So that's the pre right now. Some people are complaining and I say, oh, a prank thing and that I'm gonna bring X in a video. Majority of them don't watch the video, and that's just the honest thing. Prank, bro, I lose my woman and people I take it for joke. So I'm not gonna really dwell upon that. Bro, make sure your video is perfect, bro, because I'm done embarrassed her upon the net already and embarrassing, bro. So make sure you catch this properly, because more she can watch this back and get happy memory. Zine, good evening.
Good evening.
Baby, can you take off your mask, you know?
I used to have one mask before I'm a sanitizer. You know, me used to have one mask. When we defend your throat.
Big old bag you pack up and left to below.
My laptop make it look extra big.
Alright. Take off your mask, no? Yes, babe, take off your mask off for your ears.
I don't know if I gotta stop anywhere, I don't know.
I'm not stop, no. You don't know me a plan, you me come for me. What me for your plan?
No, as in I don't know if I gotta stop anywhere, so if I come out I can.
It doesn't matter, you can put it on back, I want to see your full face.
Bro, don't make it look so bad.
You like you hide from me or you're afraid of me. I can't get a kiss. I can't get a kiss.
Yes. You normally ask me.
But me a driver, you're there over there so I don't know where you're. Don't go out of your yard left me again. Because when we argue, I used to step out, you tell me say don't do that. Don't do that again.
So you never think about nothing while I never did that one?
Think about nothing like that.
You never spend where you spend your time at all?
Worry over you, miss. What kind of question that?
I'm sorry.
Oh, me sorry. And to show you some sorry, I have something set up for you. I'm going to show you. But it's at home. Something little and nice. Not a big nothing. Isn't it? So.
How bad you did miss me. You know, I could have told you you did miss me. I wonder how you keep up.
Oh, so yeah, take advantage of me and I laugh about
no,
it. No,
I not laugh, but babe, let me tell you. You see, I feel like you feel to understand, say. Alright. You know what, say, if when you come home, come see me, you know what, say, me would confront you. And then probably that would have been an unnecessary argument. Who knows what would have happened? I mean, we're bigger than for argue about a situation there, but just to save ourselves out of the uncomfortable situation there.
Yes.
I mean, me not try to justify say what I did was right or it was wrong, but just to save ourselves, babe. Me always tell you, anything if you clear your head, do it. You know, you play football, you play music, you play whatever. I mean, we have to know what we know. Me go there, me not go there because me be petty or whatever the case is. Me just go there because whatever you call me and ask me, then me give you a hard time.
No, but you take a long fiancé phone and me call them, but you say, yo.
Babe, look on the time where they call me.
So babe,
be realistic.
You're the out of yard and you go about your business and your bigs. You have to still keep your phone that when
no,
me call.
No, my phone did a close there, but they actually I think, and you know, and then me did a cry. So my head did start hurt me and then me just fall asleep. Imagine if you did say you come for me and I said no. Then that's the problem would have there.
Very much so.
So that goes for sure, so I'm not petty. Next thing, me did one for what Squid Game.
Oh,
you know what Squid Game
no, so you tell me, say, me still don't worry about you, me not eat, me not sleep, and you worry about Squid Game, babe?
No, I
Squid Game.
Babe, I never did worry about Squid Game. I did want to move it for one.
Yo, man.
And I said, I'm going to continue with Squid Game. And I said, no.
I honestly feel hurt, yo.
I'm not going to Squid Game because me and Jason did watch it. You would have done that? You would have probably watched it, babe. I miss you.
No, don't do that again, babe. Because I'm not lie you.
Soft. As in your skin. Soft.
Me just see you back and I don't know where you're there tonight. Better you make me there search up and see who icky you up. Than for there,
excuse me?
I not spend my whole how much time I drive. I tell you, sorry, mate. Come on.
So what we go? I got search.
I got search you up and do. You used to tell me say, if you do them things, they can show you, so I'm curious. So search up, look.
I mean, I don't have nothing to hide, so.
No, you better
not. I mean, if you do it, then nothing wrong. But I mean, whatever, babe. Yeah, search me. Want to search me? No.
No, I'm not ready for search up. I'm driving. All right, then, but let's go home. Let us go home. That is the whole. Yes, me have to smell good. Come here, I come look for you.
You come look for me?
Yeah.
You come for me?
Yeah.
You know, sir, when me tell you which part me there, before you even ask me that you come for me, hear me in my mind. Me know just I go. Actually, me did say you go pop up and tell me, but I mean, you telling me. But I think you actually pop up. I mean, know you're not baby, we pop up and sit down there now.
I look.
I just look out. You know how you stay now? Plus I have links everywhere. Me did I worry about that.
You better know some have links everywhere. I do, chief. So no do them sitting there again because you fresh me out.
Me see somebody where you know, but me just keep it cool, me act cool. I said, alright then. So, I mean.
Where your seatbelt?
Oh.
You can't see it, babe. Don't take off your bag. And you have on your blindfold, you can't see nothing, right?
No.
Take off your mask, babe.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, so. I don't know, big surprise, you know.
It's okay, babe. I mean, nobody I look forward to nothing. Yeah, I'm actually nervous. Really nervous.
Alright. I'm gonna come that side where you can't see it. No man, you're good man. Take your time, take it. Alright. Pull off.
Wait, nervous,
Wait.
wait. I'm gonna close my eye even if I take off it.
No man, open your eye. Just look.
Aww.
I'm sorry. But the proof is in the pudding.
I'm sorry too.
You have to open the bag. Take your time, open it, please. Turn it up.
Baby, always my things that we're gonna feel. Oh my god.
And it's glass, you know, so you have to. Yeah.
I love you.
So you never left me. Yeah, good you.
We never break up.
But just I remind you, for me a good youth.
There always my things that make me happy. Oh Lord.
I'm gonna get maybe metal school them if you go in it and you can put it up anywhere in the house.
I love it. I love it. Oh my God, guys, look at it. Come here, come here. I love you.
Love you too. Boy, not she bad looking.
You always get me stuff them when I want.
Cause I know you.
I love it, man. Whoa.
Welcome back to your house. Welcome back to your room.
My bed. Whew.
Yeah, so this was just to tell us I'm sorry. But this is the real gift.
I love everything, babe. You always try. Honestly, come here.
I try and manage everything, you know, miss. But I cry.
I'm not gonna cry, but you just always try. This is so nice.
You love me same way?
When I must love my husband, bro, we're gonna get married.
I love the picture of but
Yes, me too. It's so cute. Let's snap it, sorry guys.
oh, and
I love it.
there's one more thing. Something small.
What?
Yeah. Something small. Just, you know, cause, you know, there's no nice gift without some.
Oh my God! Thank you.
Some nicey
I'm
nice.
emotional now. I've been needing this one. Come here. So we'll never leave you again.
Make sure.
Hope you understand why I did though.
You're good.
Thanks, babe.
I love you.
I know I'm love boy, and I only want a special moment.
Somebody will
For
cry.
all the time, guys.
Kiss pan for
Yeah,
I kiss pan for me.
You gonna tell them?
Yeah, you can tell him what me tell him.
No, you tell
When
them.
me kiss you for your fire, that means
You promise to love me forever.
I'm keeping my promise.
Guys, I am back home. I didn't know say you gonna come. I didn't know say you gonna come for me. But when you ask for me to hear me now, just never pull up me no. Look out for me and say, look. Look. But I appreciate you come. I really do. If it felt good, no. If I'm proud, maybe. It felt weird, but it felt right.
What is that about?
Yeah, leave it.
Oh, wow. So welcome back to the yard. Let's check you now and see which man icky you up when everybody here come.
Excuse me?
I tell you, you will be having it. See, a bumper and bus. The man, we got time when could the bus now.
Move from me, son, no bother with it.
I try my best. I try and manage everything. I don't need nobody to tell me that for me know that. I know that. So, I'm just glad everything alright now. So thanks to everybody who always I give the well wishes because I didn't need them. Nobody not perfect. No relationship never gonna be perfect. It might be perfect on the media, but it can't be perfect. The only perfect thing in a relationship are the two persons in the relationship will always continue trying no matter what. That's all. Squad.